Hello guys, today in this video I'll be showing you how I make EAS videos. I'm at channel 11 right now, and this message will appear whenever I issue something, so I'll take you there. I'm at the EAS manager right now, so what do I want to issue? Hold up guys, let me go to the Alright guys, I just had to get some water, and it should be able to run now. Oh, there we go. This is the EAS dialog. It's located in channel 11. So, this is the EAS manager dialog here. What do I want to issue? I'm gonna have to issue a civil emergency message. Okay. Which counties? I'm likely gonna pick this one for the sake of this video. This EAS effective message duration will last for 45 minutes. Thank you for coming to your EAS dialog. Your message will appear at your Philips television. Oh, there it is. There it is, there it is, there it is. There it is. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching.